Welcome back to the channel again. Code with me. So, friends, in this session of HTML, we'll be learning about another interesting topic, that is HTML emojis. So, friends, I'm aware who and all are watching this video has made use of these emojis in your conversations, and I also assume that who and all watching this video has made use of this WhatsApp Messenger or any other chatting facilities which includes emojis. And I also assume that you have probably made use of these emojis in your texting or conversation with someone else. Okay, so in this video let us learn about how do you code emojis inside the HTML markup language. Okay, so friends, before directly jumping to the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button icon so that you'll be never missing my new updates. Okay, so friends, starting with the formal definition, emojis are a pictograms, logograms, ideograms, and smileys used in electronic messages and web pages. The emoji's primary function is to fill in the emotional cues otherwise missing from the type conversation. So friends, I assume that I don't need to explain regarding the definition of emojis. You guys are completely aware of that. Emoji is nothing but a pictorial representations of a small icons like in the displayed in the form of yellow or watercolor baby, which convey a message. Okay, if you are happy, you can convey a happy emoji. If you are loud, you can convey a loud emoji. If you are crying, if you can convey the crying emoji. So emojis is a kind of a special kind of images which conveys a message. It might be emotional or something related to that. Okay, so the question really arises here is, friends, how do you code emojis inside the HTMLs? See, friends, HTML inside inside the HTML, the emojis are coded in the form of UTF-8 character set. You heard me right, friends. You can clearly see here. Okay. For example, it usually starts with and symbol followed by hash and followed by numbers. Each emojis has their own respective codes assigned to it. Okay. So for in this video, currently I'm going to explain you a few examples. So if you want to explore more, I assure you, please Google yourself. Okay, I cannot display all the codes of the emojis here. Perhaps it might take longer than you expected. So for a certain amount of time, I'll be displaying a few examples of emoji codes. So if you want to dig in regarding the emojis of HTML, you can Google it. Okay. So friends, if you want to note down the theory part which I have written here, request you kindly please pause the video and make sure you written all the theory part. That will be quite helpful for you. Okay. So friends, for instance, I'll be taking this out and then I'll be directly starting with the coding part. Okay. So obviously, friends, starting with syntax of HTML, that is doc type HTML. Okay, and followed by head tag, followed by closing of the head tag. So inside the head tag, I'll be making use of title tag. Also, I'll be giving as HTML emojis, followed by the closing of the title tag. Okay, and inside that, I'll be creating a body tag. Okay, and followed by the closing of the body tag, and followed by closing of the. Oh, I'm sorry, I just forgot to add the HTML tag here. Okay, followed by the closing of the HTML tag. Okay, when I run the program, obviously the output displays nothing as there is nothing inside the body tag. Okay, for instance, I'll be adding a message. Okay, paragraph P. Okay, paragraph P like, how are you? Or might I can be writing as code with me. Okay, and so I'll be closing the paragraph tag. So when I run the program, you can clearly see here displaying as code with me. Okay, so friends, now the question really arises is, how do you write emoji codes? Okay, what I will do, friends, before that emojis, I would like to have the number representation. How do you write alphabets? Obviously, can you see here A, B, C. You guys must be wondering why I am trying to display this A, B, C. So when I run the program, friends, you can clearly see here it's displaying as A, B, and C. The reason why I have explained this ABC, because in the next line I'll be writing the ABC in the form of UTF-8 characters. Okay, so if you ask me how, friends, now listen carefully, friends. Ash and symbol ash followed by 65 semicolon. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just copy this thing. Okay, I'll just paste it. I'll just paste it. I'll take the 65 and I'll mark it as 66, and I'll take this as 65 and mark it as 67. So when I run the program now, you can clearly see here the output displaying is ABC. So friends, obviously this one is displaying ABC. That is completely okay. You can clearly see here, friends, the third line. Okay, the and as 65 and as 66 and as 67 is displaying as ABC. So this is the UTF-8 representation of characters A, character B, and character C. Okay, now the four most important part is emojis. You guys are waiting for that. Okay, emojis. So how do you write emoji, friends? For example, I'll be writing as mm, and as followed by 128512. Okay, and followed by P. So when I run the program, let us see what happens. You can clearly see here, friends, the emojis is successfully displayed here. Okay, and if I want to, I want to add a text along with that. I am feeling so, and followed by emoji. When I run the program, clearly see here, friends, I am feeling so happy. Here, happy is displayed in the form of emojis. Okay, like the same way, what I will do, I'll just copy this stuff. Okay, and I'll paste it. Instead of two, I'll remove it and three. Run the program. Let us see what happens. You can clearly see here there's emoji successfully changed. Okay, so I'll be giving another emoji. And for this time, I'll be taking this out. I'll be giving a new emoji. See here, friends. Each emoji you can clearly see here, friends, that I have inserted different kinds of emoji. Each emoji has its own UTF-8 character. So the emoji of happy symbol code is 128512, and followed by this one is 128513, followed by this one 128514. Like the same way, what I'm trying to say is each emoji has its own UTF-8 character numbers assigned to it. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to another symbols like emojis, I have purchased. Okay, what I have purchased, friends. So if you want to explain that in the form of emoji, what I will do, okay, followed by P. When I run the program, you can clearly see here I have purchased a vanity bag. This is also an emoji which is with the code is 128507. Okay, so friends, this is how you exactly code the emojis inside the HTML. Okay, and I assume, guys, now you are clearly very clear about the emoji concept. How do you code emojis inside the HTML? So friends, if you have any doubts regarding this emoji codings inside HTML, please do ping your doubts in the comment section. I'll definitely reply back. And I hope that you guys allowed this video. Make sure you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, friends.